Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to analyze the data, filter, sort, group and get meaningful data using Python. So to do that we have to open Jupyter Notebook, Python 3 and you can start coding in this. With few lines of code we can analyze the data, get meaningful insights of the data. So I have here sales data. This is in Excel. So I will just show you how this data is analyzed in Excel. If you want to analyze or filter certain fields, you have to go to the column head and filter. So if you want to filter certain country, you can do that. Or if you want to filter item type, let's say beverages, then you can sort by via particular column. And let's say if you want the item type by Afghanistan, or and if I want the online sales data. So this is how we can filter the data in Excel. The other option is to use a pivot table. Select the data you want to filter, go to insert and use pivot table. Here you can specify what rows and columns you want to filter. So countries will put it in rows and item type in column and the item type as values. So it is a count of item type. So each country has certain number of sales of baby food and you will get the grand total of each country as well. Now if you want to see the sales channel, you can further filter that using sales channel. So if you want to select see only offline sales data, that we can do. Or if you want to see only online sales data, so that way we can get the meaningful data. So this is a record of 10,000 data points. So very quickly we can analyze. So let's see how to do the same in Python with few lines of code. Let's import pandas as PD and now we have to read the file. For that I'm giving a df as data frame. So df is the variable and then write the code pd.read_csv as we are reading a CSV file and we have to put the path here. So here is the path for this file. We have to change the slash here and the file name sales_record.csv and let's check that again, sales_record. Yes. Now we can just read this file df.head. First 10 rows we can see. So now we have the data loaded here into the data frame. Now we can use code to analyze this data or filter this data. So what we can do is we can use the pandas group by function. So we can just assign this to a new data frame. Then pd dot df dot group by. So we want to group by country and item type. And we want the count. So give value underscore counts. Now let's run this. So now we have the details of grouped by country and the item type and we got the value counts, but we have this in this format, stacked format. So we want to unstack to get what we got similar in the Excel. So we give unstack and now we have the data. So let's go back and see how this is in the Excel file. So we can just remove the sales channel. Afghanistan baby food is 1, and same, and vegetables is 4. Vegetable is 4. So we got the same kind of data in here in the Excel. So the same we utilized this using Python. Now another method is here, if you can see there is one more column at the end, the grand total. So this can be easily achieved through using cross tab function. I'll just comment this so that it won't run. So now we can assign this to a df2, data frame 2 is equal to pd dot cross tab, and df, we want the country, comma df item type. Now if you run this, there is one error. So the country should be CO. Yes. So now we have the same data in the cross tab function, using cross tab function. Now let's add the grand total. For that, margins is equal to true. So now we have the grand total also. So this is how we can use simple code to get the data similar to that what we get in using a pivot table. Now additionally we can also do this, we can filter this further, like how we used the online channel, sales channel filtering. So let's select online. Now we have the online channel data. So let's see how to do this using cross tab. So we can use df dot log function. Df, we want to filter the sales channel. Now let's run this and see. We have got error here. Okay, we have to specify what we want to. We can specify this. We can specify what you want to filter. Okay, we have got one more error here. Okay, so in Python we have to use double equal. Okay, now that is running fine. Now let's check the. Yes, now we have got the file with the filtered data. Let's cross check this once again. So this has not given. Let's assign this to and give this. Yes, now we have got the data. So we haven't assigned that to a variable. That's why it gave error. So we have assigned this to a value and read that through this. So now if you see the baby food in Afghanistan is 0 and all is 31 with online sales. So same we got in this. Now simply for changing this we can select offline, and the same can be applied there also, and we can just check. Now if you run this, you will get the similar data 22, 28 in the all section. Yes. So that's how we can use this using a simple few lines of code. We can get the data into a meaningful format, and same thinking can be saved into Excel file or the CSV using to CSV command. Hope you are clear with this topic. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.